Have you ever wondered about an easier way to generate engaging content for your YouTube channel? Perhaps you're seeking a tool that can provide you with a wealth of creativity at your fingertips. If that's the case, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT 3.5 and exploring how it can revolutionize your content creation process for YouTube. Imagine having a creative partner, one that never tires, constantly generates fresh ideas, and provides insights tailored to your niche. That's precisely what ChatGPT 3.5 offers. This advanced language model, developed by OpenAI, can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. It can be the brainstorming buddy you've been seeking, the source of endless engaging conversation topics for your videos. To harness the power of ChatGPT 3.5, you'll need to understand a few key aspects. First, familiarize yourself with its capabilities within your niche. Whether you're creating content about tech, fashion, gaming, or anything else under the sun, ChatGPT 3.5 can generate relevant ideas and insights. However, while ChatGPT 3.5 is an amazing tool, it's essential to maintain authenticity. Always remember to fact-check and verify any information provided by ChatGPT 3.5. Your audience trusts you to deliver accurate content, so make sure any facts generated by this tool are double-checked before they make it into your videos. And remember, don't solely rely on ChatGPT 3.5 for content creation. Your unique insights, experiences, and personality are what truly set you apart. Use ChatGPT 3.5 to complement your ideas, not replace them. Infuse your videos with your own voice and style. Lastly, never forget to engage with your audience and gather their feedback. ChatGPT 3.5 can help you understand trending topics and tailor your content to meet the needs of your viewers. By actively listening to your audience and adapting your content accordingly, you can foster a stronger connection and grow your channel organically. In conclusion, ChatGPT 3.5 is a powerful tool that can enhance your content creation process. It's like having a creative partner always ready to brainstorm with you. By understanding its capabilities, maintaining authenticity, leveraging your own creativity, and engaging with your audience, you can take your YouTube channel to new heights. So why not give ChatGPT 3.5 a try? Test it out, play around with it, and see how it can enhance your content creation process. And of course, feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how ChatGPT 3.5 is helping you elevate your content to the next level. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, the world is your canvas. And with tools like ChatGPT 3.5, there's no limit to what you can create. And before we wrap things up, we'd like to remind you that your support is what keeps us going. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Sharing our content with your friends, family, or anyone interested in content creation can also help us reach more people who might benefit from ChatGPT 3.5. And last but not least, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. We have a lot more exciting content lined up, including more tips and tricks on leveraging AI for content creation. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions are the fuel that keeps us motivated to bring you more valuable and engaging content. So let's continue this journey together towards a more creative and innovative world.